Hi, my name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology. In this video, we'll be assembling the Ubiquiti PowerBeam 5AC, a powerful tool for extending your wireless network with point-to-point connections. What is Ubiquiti PBE 5AC? The Ubiquiti PowerBeam AC is a wireless bridge designed for point-to-point and point-to-multipoint applications. It's part of Ubiquiti's AirMax product line. Its game-changing key features are frequency, AC technology, directional antenna, form factor, and last but not least, management software. Let's get started by unboxing the parts. Here's what comes in the box: a quick start guide, feed horn, dish bracket, the dish reflector, pole clamp, rear housing, power cord, and adapter. Let's assemble it. Start by removing the rear housing that is attached to the feed horn. Make sure to detach the 3 clip parts of the rear housing. After that, attach the mounting bracket to the back of the dish reflector. This will secure the dish, which focuses the wireless signal for long-distance transmission. Next, we'll attach the feed horn. This part handles the sending and receiving of wireless signals. Carefully slide it into the center of the dish and then attach the rear housing to secure the feed horn in the dish reflector. You'll know it's in place when you hear a click sound. The Ubiquiti PowerBeam 5AC is now fully assembled and ready to be mounted and programmed, which will be on part 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more latest tech and smart security solutions. Don't forget to click that bell notification to stay updated.